We've been in Mexico Beach for 45 years. We've owned the Driftwood for 43 years. I think we're an important part of Mexico Beach. I think that we don't have the biggest hotel, but I feel we have the best hotel. It's our desire, given the resources, to build it back and do it as close to what we had before, with gardens and fountains and whirligigs and we have purple martins come, and they come Valentine's Day. So if I don't get those birdhouses up by Valentine's Day, they'll find someplace else. There's not too many places you can go that's like this. You know, that's a little community, a great beach, small. It's not a seaside. It's not a Panama City. It's unique, I think.
It's expensive to live out here. Taxes are high. I don't know how the city's gonna survive because of all the expense of the storm. Well, what happens if a city goes bankrupt? Would it not have to? At this point, can it afford to stay? We don't have any businesses, and the businesses pay the main part of the taxes. So who is going to support the city?
Our employees become our family. Right now they're suffering. You know, I think it's important that all of us get back, because if not, these people will have to leave. And then when we're back up, we'll be hard pressed to get employees. So that's why the urgency to rebuild as fast as we could. It's sort of like my birds. If I don't get those houses up by Valentine's Day, the birds will go someplace else. If I don't get my hotel up within a year, my tenants will go someplace else.